You might be thinking that how this code is working in our Nextjs, which we have seen in our previous tutorial, and this was the output. So let me explain that how does this code is working in our Next.js project. So here I have told you inside our that page.js we have the code that we have written and it is rendered at the output I have shown you, and this folder is child of that layout.js. This is the root, or in other words you can say this is the main folder. Now first of all the control will move in our that layout.js, and here you can see that we have also exported that folder which is root layout, and inside that root layout we are going to pass a props which is named as children, and this children is pointing out to our that folder which is page.js. So it is going to import that folder here inside our layout.js, and it is going to render something. And what is that thing? You can see here we have HTML and here we have that body tag. So inside that body tag it is going to display or render that children. So you might be thinking that we have not written here head tag, because we don't need here any head tag. This is just because of our that code which is metadata. If you remember in our HTML and CSS we had to write the title and the description of the project and the name of the project inside our head tag, but here we have to type all the things inside our metadata which is a reserved world in our Next.js. So we don't need to write here head tag anymore. So that's why this folder structure is working in such a way that our page.js is imported inside our layout.js, and our this layout.js project is going to return that page.js. So this is just because of that code, and this is the output. Now I hope you understood that how the folder structure and code does work in our Next.js.